7:46. Yes, the very fucking is. Fuck me. Ooh. Ah, it's a long walk. I'm getting sweaty already, you know. All the alcohol is kind of hitting me. Yeah. I went to gym for nothing.
Fuck.
Oh shit.
We're gonna find out that jumping on is a lot easier than jumping on.
Yep.
I probably just put my hand in the singing little as well.
Oh, lovely, mate. Woo. Yeah, I'm tired already. Yeah, so but I've been using that stair machine, and it's not doing shit right now. Woo! Oh, my oh, my legs. Woo! Nice views though.
Yeah. Great trip, guys.
Yeah. See you back home. Peace.
Send us pictures from after.
Hear that? I think the jacket's gonna come off. Nah, we gotta get to the top, man. I think it'll be.
I'm gonna get to the top, man. You know what's gonna go on my story? We made it.
Woo! We made it. Halfway. It'll be easier going back down. Nah. You'll be alright, mate. Kai's abandoned the mission. The task has been abandoned. Jamie's still rolling. Come on, bro. Thorough map 2. Higher boost levels. Big turbo coming on. Woo! Woo! Yeah, it's really a workout, you know. Full weight. I've got hella shit in my bag and that. So don't get on to me about it. I'm a bit unfit. Obviously COVID been hitting me. But fuck. Damn, they turned on the mattress. Monica! Oh, they turned on the boost level. What's good? Well, go on. What's good? Woo. We gonna call him Turbo. Yeah, Turbo, alright. I hear that. Hit it. We made it. Alright, Jamie. Mechanical on trip. Whew. Whoa. This is mad. Oh, look how high up. You can see all the way through Winnett's Pass. I think I definitely need to get back in the gym, mate. It's the alcohol, I'm sorting it all out. But
Sunday.
I actually got that on camera. I got that on camera. Oh my days.
Fucking hell, blue
Oh, I'm tired. Look at that. Wow. That is too loud. Way too loud.
Day in the life.
Day in the life. Peak District in Manny, or near Manny. So we stopped off all the guys and well, look at that. Oh, cute. No, I'm joking. Over there, which you guys would have seen on the last video, is where Snake Pass begins. So that's where the M5 was launching it. But yeah, this is called Ladyborough Reservoir. I think that's what it's called. Lady Barrow Reservoir. Lady Bower Reservoir. Okay, well, got it wrong. And yeah, it's fucking beautiful. Come on, Kai, there's the parking. The pressure's on. Came all the way from over there. What's up, mate? He's having a laugh.
We get to it, got it stocked up, popped up, got a hand all rocked up, like 1 carat, 2 carat, pass like the money, got a hops up. Don't care for designer, got a
Send it.
Don't care for the phones, got her own way. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Fancy is for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash, she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash, she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Do it.
Hey, that's better, man. That's better.
Pull up at the spot, tires square. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rockin' me, cause she real, for real. She get to the cash, she get to the cash, she look like a bad when she walk.
Play that. Play one. Play, man. You got a match play, bro. Play one. Jeez. So it's good to be back in front of the camera, back to doing normal stuff of uploading. Love the trip with Manny. Manny was great, but now yeah, back to making videos, back to doing some sick reviews. Got some awesome builds coming on, so make sure you guys come back to the channel. Also let me know if you like these vloggy type stuff, because this was literally all a vlog. I really didn't try to do that much editing. I was just trying to enjoy and did a lot of stuff like that. So yeah, it's good to be back. Hopefully I can win you guys over again to watch my content. YouTube, sorry I haven't uploaded anything as well. Yeah, I'm back. So it's good to see you guys as well, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.